Go for the glow with Amazing Cosmetics Multitasking Illuminate Primer and Highlighter. This primer plus highlighter in one extends the life of your makeup and instantly brightens skin. Formulated with daisy extract, it fades dark spots and keeps your skin hydrated as it improves skin's texture. Apply a dime-sized amount to face before makeup application. Wear alone for a sheer glow. Use as a base to extend the wear of your concealer and foundation. Use a highlighter on top of cheekbones and under brow bone for extra definition. This creamy formula can also be used all over your body for an everlasting luminous glow. Get a flawless look as amazing as you are.